How to make money with crypto. In the world of cryptocurrency, there is no shortage of ways to make money every day. From trading on exchanges to earning interest on stablecoins, savvy investors can find numerous opportunities to increase their holdings. Welcome to another episode of the Six Figure Network. Subscribe now so you never miss out on any of our latest uploads. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Invest in crypto startups. Crypto startups can be a great source of profits for investors willing to take risks. By investing in early-stage projects, investors can benefit from huge returns that can be earned if the projects taste success. Number 2. Trading cryptocurrencies. Trading cryptocurrencies on exchanges is one of the most popular ways to make money in crypto. By analyzing the market and technical indicators, traders can make profits by buying and selling digital assets. Number 3. Staking. Staking is the process of holding crypto assets in a wallet and receiving rewards for verifying transactions on a blockchain network. Most major cryptocurrencies offer staking rewards, and the profits can be substantial. Number 4. Mining. Mining is the process of verifying transactions on a blockchain network and getting rewarded in the form of cryptocurrency. The rewards can be quite lucrative, but the costs associated with mining can be quite high. Number 5. Lending cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency lending is a popular way to make money in crypto. By lending your digital assets to borrowers, you can earn interest on your holdings. Number 6. Arbitrage. Arbitrage is the process of buying an asset in one market and selling it in another market to make a profit. Cryptocurrency arbitrage can be a great way to make money in crypto, but it requires a lot of research and analysis. Number 7. Earning interest on stablecoins. Stablecoins are digital assets that are pegged to a fiat currency or other assets. Investors can earn interest on their stablecoin holdings by lending them out through a variety of platforms. Number 8. Masternodes. Masternodes are a form of decentralized hosting that allows you to earn passive income from cryptocurrency transactions. You need to invest in a certain amount of coins to become a masternode and receive rewards. These are just some of the ways to make money every day in crypto. As the industry evolves, more opportunities will emerge to capitalize on the technology. With the right strategy, reliable platform, and knowledge, anyone can make money in the crypto space. However, finding a reliable platform is not an easy task. You have to spend a lot of time and effort in research to find a reliable platform. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.